Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the L'Oréal Paris Excellence Creme Permanent Hair Color, 10 Lightest Ultimate Blonde, 1 Kit 100 Gray Coverage Hair Dye. It covers well, and the color doesn't fade much until 2 to 3 weeks after you dye it. For mid light brown natural hair color, it works. Not dyed brown, great lightening for a non-bleach product. Good color for any time. Stores do not carry this color during the summer or springtime. Color is nice, but it doesn't always cover the gray in the time they say on the box. Many times this specific shade, color, and brand has helped me get the right blonde hair color. This, like ABB, is a natural looking color which makes your gray appear like highlights. This product comes with a nice pre-color hair protection cream, which is a nice component. But if you are looking for a warm, blonde shade with gold in it, this is the one. It does have reddish goldish tones, but nothing harsh. Get at the store when on sale, but this price is very good, and like having several at a time. The Excellence Creme does not have a strong odor, and it is easy and clean to apply, since it's a little thicker than traditional hair color. This color made me a strawberry blonde, not a bad color, but it didn't do much in the way of lightening. Highly recommend if you like to do bright pinks or reds in your hair with punky dye. Got 3-pack. 2 of the packages had the activator bottle already opened, and the product was all over the inside of the box since it is past the 30 days can't return. If you have stubborn grays and want a very light blonde, don't waste your time and money on other products. L'Oréal Excellence contains a second conditioner that you put on before you color, so it does not leave your hair as dried out as the others. Overall, L'Oréal is probably the best quality boxed hair color that you can buy at the local drugstore. Stay away from anything by Revlon or Clairol. Procter & Gamble, Garnier is a little bit better, but not really all that great either. Before, with the old color, when it was first done, it might come out a little ashy, but always wash to a beautiful salon-looking professional highlighted blonde. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.